Eating home-cooked meals can reduce your calorie intake by up to 200 calories per meal, and studies show that people who meal prep are more likely to stick to their health goals and save money. Why not be one of them? Today, I'm excited to share some easy and tasty recipes that will help you prepare healthy and delicious meals for your busy week. Benefits of meal prep. Meal prepping offers great benefits, especially for busy families. It saves time during the week by allowing you to prepare meals or ingredients in advance, freeing up your evenings for relaxation or family time. Health-wise, cooking at home gives you control over your ingredients, so you can choose fresh, nutritious options and avoid the unhealthy additives found in prepackaged foods. Homemade meals often have less sodium, sugar, and unhealthy fats, promoting a healthier diet. Meal prepping is also cost-effective. Cooking in bulk and shopping smartly can save you money compared to eating out or buying ready-made meals. Also, meal prepping reduces stress by eliminating the daily scramble to figure out what to cook. With meals ready to go, you avoid the last-minute rush, making your evenings more relaxed and enjoyable. As we've covered the benefits of meal prep, let's start our countdown of meals that are perfect for busy weeks. Number 6. Chicken Philly sandwiches. Chicken Philly sandwiches are perfect for busy nights when you need something quick and flavorful. This recipe puts a chicken twist on the classic Philly cheesesteak for a hearty, satisfying meal. You'll need chicken breasts, bell peppers, onions, garlic, olive oil, salt, pepper, Italian seasoning, provolone cheese, and hoagie rolls, or any sandwich rolls you have. Slice the chicken into thin strips and cook in a skillet with olive oil, salt, pepper, and Italian seasoning for about 5 to 7 minutes until golden and cooked through. Remove the chicken and set aside. In the same skillet, sauté sliced bell peppers and onions with a bit more olive oil until soft, adding minced garlic last. Assemble the sandwiches by filling the rolls with the chicken, peppers, and onions and topping with provolone cheese. If desired, broil the sandwiches for a minute or two and melt the cheese and lightly toast the rolls. Number 5. Instant Pot Healthy Banh Mi sandwiches. If you're craving a tasty and easy meal, these Instant Pot Healthy Banh Mi sandwiches are perfect. This quick version of the classic Vietnamese sandwich uses the Instant Pot to save time without sacrificing flavor. For this recipe, you'll need pork shoulder, chicken thighs, seasoned with soy sauce, hoisin sauce, rice vinegar, garlic, and ginger. You'll also need baguettes or rolls and toppings like pickled carrots and daikon radish, fresh cucumber, cilantro, and jalapeno slices if you like some heat. Season the meat with the sauces and spices, and then cook it in the Instant Pot on high pressure for 15 to 20 minutes. Let it naturally release for 10 minutes before manually releasing the rest of the pressure. While it cooks, prepare your toppings. Pickle the carrots and daikon, slice the cucumber, and chop the cilantro and jalapeno. Shred the cooked meat and mix it with the juices. Toast the baguettes or rolls if you like. Assemble your sandwiches with the shredded meat, pickled veggies, cucumber, cilantro, and jalapeno. The pickled veggies add crunch, and the fresh herbs complement the savory meat perfectly. Number 4. Pickled chicken salad. This recipe is a crowd pleaser and a huge hit in many households, including mine. It's a go-to because it's quick to make, packed with protein, and incredibly versatile. Even if pickles aren't usually your thing, this salad might just change your mind. For this recipe, you'll need cooked chicken, pickles, Greek yogurt, Dijon mustard, celery, red onion, salt, and pepper. Start by shredding or dicing 2 cups of cooked chicken into bite-sized pieces. For convenience, rotisserie chicken works great. Next, chop up 1 cup of pickles to add a tangy crunch. In a large bowl, mix half a cup of Greek yogurt with 2 tablespoons of Dijon mustard and season with salt and pepper to taste. This mixture will serve as the creamy base for your salad. Toss in the chopped pickles, 1 cup of finely chopped celery, and a 1/4 cup of finely chopped red onion. Finally, add the shredded chicken to the bowl. Gently mix everything together until the chicken and vegetables are well coated with the dressing. For the best flavor, let the salad chill in the refrigerator for at least 30 minutes, allowing the flavors to meld together. Pickled chicken salad is incredibly versatile. You can serve it on a bed of greens, use it as a filling for sandwiches or wraps, or even enjoy it with some chips. To store, keep it in an airtight container in the fridge. It should stay fresh for about 3 to 4 days. Enjoy this easy, protein-packed meal that's perfect for busy weeknights or as a satisfying snack. Number 3. Air-fried fish tacos. Air-fried fish tacos are an excellent weeknight meal because they're quick, light, and flavorful. Using an air fryer keeps them crispy without extra oil, making them perfect for busy nights. For this recipe, you'll need white fish fillets like tilapia or cod, taco seasoning, flour, eggs, and breadcrumbs. Also, gather taco tortillas, olive oil, or cooking spray, and toppings such as shredded cabbage, sliced avocado, chopped cilantro, lime wedges, and your favorite salsa or hot sauce. Start by drying the fish fillets and cutting them into bite-sized pieces. Set up a breading station with flour, beaten eggs, and a mix of breadcrumbs and taco seasoning. Dip each piece in flour, then egg, and coat with breadcrumbs. Preheat your air fryer to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. Place the fish pieces in the basket, spray lightly with olive oil, and air fry for 8 to 10 minutes, flipping halfway through until golden and crispy. While the fish cooks, prepare your toppings: shred cabbage, slice avocado, and chopped cilantro. Warm the tortillas, then assemble the tacos with crispy fish, cabbage, avocado, cilantro, a squeeze of lime juice, and your choice of salsa or hot sauce. Number 2. Apple Cider Dijon Grilled Chicken. Next up is Apple Cider Dijon Grilled Chicken, a delicious and versatile dish perfect for your weekly menu. This recipe is a great source of lean protein and features a tangy, slightly sweet flavor from the apple cider and Dijon mustard. It's easy to make and ideal for meal prepping. To prepare, you'll need boneless, skinless chicken breasts, apple cider vinegar, Dijon mustard, garlic, honey, olive oil, salt, and pepper. Start by making the marinade. Whisk together a quarter cup of apple cider vinegar, 3 tablespoons of Dijon mustard, and 2 tablespoons of honey. Add a tablespoon of minced garlic, 2 tablespoons of olive oil, and season with salt and pepper. Mix well. Place the chicken breasts in a resealable bag or dish and pour the marinade over them. Marinate in the fridge for at least 30 minutes or overnight for more flavor. Preheat your grill to medium-high heat and cook the chicken for 5 to 7 minutes per side or until it reaches an internal temperature of 165 degrees Fahrenheit. Apple cider Dijon grilled chicken is versatile and can be served on salads, sandwiches, or with roasted vegetables. You can also chop it up for grain bowls or wraps. Store leftovers in an airtight container in the fridge for up to 4 days. Enjoy this tasty high-protein dish on busy weeknights. Number 1. Summer Grill Bowls. Finally, let's talk about summer grill bowls, a fantastic choice for busy nights when you need something quick and satisfying. These bowls are incredibly versatile, allowing you to use any grilled vegetables and proteins you have on hand, which is perfect for using up leftovers or meal prepping. For this recipe, lead chicken breasts with thighs, bell peppers, zucchini, red onions, cherry tomatoes, olive oil, salt, pepper, and your favorite seasoning blend. Cut the chicken and vegetables into bite-sized pieces. Toss them with olive oil, salt, pepper, and seasoning. Preheat your grill to medium-high heat and cook the chicken and vegetables for about 10 to 15 minutes, turning occasionally until they are nicely charred and cooked through. The chicken should reach an internal temperature of 165 degrees Fahrenheit. Once grilled, assemble your bowls with a base of cooked quinoa or rice, topped with the grilled chicken and vegetables. Add some fresh greens like spinach or arugula if you like, and drizzle with balsamic vinaigrette or your favorite dressing. For meal prep, grill extra chicken and veggies at the start of the week. Store them in airtight containers in the fridge so you can quickly assemble a fresh bowl each day. This approach ensures you have a healthy and delicious meal ready to go whenever you need it. I hope you found these meal prep recipes helpful. Remember, a little planning can make a big difference in your week. If you enjoyed this video, please like, comment, and subscribe for more healthy cooking inspiration.